This was given to us so we can talk to you about it. So this is a piece that is for an F-150. It is designed for, like, say, this is my it is not an F-150. And if we look at the instructions, and how you install it is by unscrewing this a little bit, which lets this plate come loose, but you don't want to take it completely off. And then inside of the F-150, there is a piece of the vehicle that looks like this. And on these sections, you can actually attach this. And you can see on this bezel, you can slip this piece in behind it, and it allows it to attach to that specific bezel on your car. So once you get that to slip onto the bezel, you use the key to tighten it up as much as possible. And of course, don't go too tight because you don't want to strip it, but get it tight enough so that it won't come off. It also comes with this, which goes in between to help with giving it a nice rubbered piece to hold on to, so it's not like plastic on metal. And then what you do is you take this piece out. And this unscrews enough. There's a spring inside of here that you can slip it over top of this and just give it a little turn just to keep it on there a little bit. And then it goes into here on the other side. And then you basically tighten this up to tighten both of those balls. Now, whenever it's in the truck, it'll be holding on something like this, and then you would probably tighten it to be at like that kind of, so I'm just going to go ahead and tighten it, and it would be like on the actual truck like that, and then you can twist this to be around how you want. Now, so this is magnetic, and I actually already have a plate on the back of mine, so it's magnetic and will hold on to it just like that. Now, it does come with 2 rings that you can put on your phone instead of this large magnetic one. And these large magnetic ones are actually not very good because now the wireless charging doesn't with this on it. I have to take my case off. So that's what's nice about these little rings. And as you can see, these little rings stick very well. So when you put those on there. So if you have a Ford F-150 and it matches the design of what this is looking for, make sure that you're checking it out. It's a very duty design. This is metal, and so is this. This is very duty, and I think it would be great for a truck that you're looking for something that is nice and strong, like a work truck or something like that. So if you're looking for that, check it out. I think it would be a great addition to your Ford F-150.